Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a device that might just be one of the best budget 5G smartphones of 2025, the OPPO Reno 13FS 5G, with flagship-like features, a beautiful AMOLED display, and super fast charging. It promises a lot at a mid-range price, but is it really worth your money? Let's unbox it, dive into the specs, and find out. Unboxing and first impressions. Inside the box, we get the Reno 13FS itself. We're reviewing the purple edition, and wow, it's even more stunning in person. Also included are a 6.7W SuperVOOC charger, a USB-C cable, a basic clear case, a SIM, ejector, and the paperwork. The phone feels slim, light, and premium. The back has a soft matte finish that resists fingerprints. The dual camera module is bold, but elegant, a subtle nod to OPPO's flagship design language. Display. Let single quotes as talk about the screen. You're getting a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel, full HD plus resolution at 2400 by 1080 pixels. And here's the kicker, a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and everything from scrolling to gaming looks buttery smooth. For a phone in this price range, it's an absolute win. Whether you're watching Netflix, swiping through Instagram, or editing photos, this display delivers. Performance. Under the hood, the Reno 13FS is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050, an efficient 6nm octa-core CHIPSET. Combined with 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 512GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Performance is snappy and multitasking feels seamless. We tested everyday apps, social media, and games like PUBG and Genshin Impact, and the phone handled them surprisingly well. For the average user, it's more than enough. Camera system. Now let's flip to the cameras. On the back, there's a 6.4MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. Daylight shots are crisp, with decent dynamic range. Low-light performance is fair, especially when you enable night mode. The 3MP front-facing camera is great for selfies, video calls, and portrait effects. Video recording maxes out at 108p at 30fps, with electronic stabilization built in. It won't replace a DSLR, but for TikTok, IG Reels, and vlogging, it's totally fine. Battery life. Here's something we love, a massive 5000 mAh battery. This phone can easily last a full day of heavy usage or 2 days on light use. And with 67W SuperVOOC charging, you'll get from 0 to 100% in under 45 minutes. Just a 10-minute charge can give you several hours of use. Perfect for people on the go. Connectivity and features. As the name suggests, it's a 5G phone with dual SIM support. You also get Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C, and NFC depending on region. And yes, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack in some models, which is a rare find these days. Security. There's a fast under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both work instantly. Build quality and design. The phone is built with a plastic frame and glass front, and is rated IP54, meaning it's protected against splashes and light dust. It weighs just 178 grams and is only 7.8mm thick, making it super portable and pocket-friendly. It doesn't feel cheap. In fact, the design feels very balanced and refined. Software experience. Out of the box, it runs Android 14 with ColorOS 14, OPPO's clean, fast, and customizable user interface. You get all the essentials: split-screen multitasking, OPPO Enco Air3s South. If you want to level up your audio experience, pair the Reno 13FS with the OPPO Enco Air3s South. Lightweight wireless earbuds with great sound, Bluetooth 5.3, and up to 25 hours of battery with the charging case. They connect instantly and are perfect for calls, music, and media on the go. Together, these make a solid ecosystem. Final verdict. So, what do we think? Gorgeous AMOLED display, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, powerful MediaTek chip, 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage, great battery plus fast charging, 5G support, an FC and fingerprint scanner, clean and responsive software for the price. The OPPO Reno 13FS 5G checks nearly every box. It's not a flagship killer, but it's a fantastic choice if you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and future-ready 5G phone in 2025. Let us know in the comments. Would you buy the Reno 13FS? Or are you waiting for something even more powerful? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a drop. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.